Hi guys, in this video we talk about Google Pixel 8 Pro versus Oppo Find X7 Ultra. The Google Pixel 8 Pro launched on October 2023 with the price tag of $999. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra launched on January 2024 with the price tag of $999. The dimension is same and the weight of these devices. The Google Pixel 8 Pro have 213 gram and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra have 223 gram. And the build, the Google Pixel 8 Pro front and back glass and aluminium frame, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra front and back glass and aluminium frame. Both mobile come with dual SIM support. The display, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with LTPO OLED 16M color and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color. And the screen size, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 6.7 inches and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 6.82 inches. The resolution of these devices, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 1344 by 2992 pixels and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 1440 by 2168 pixels. And the PPI density, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 489 and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 510. And the refresh rate is same 120Hz. And the screen to body ratio, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 87.4% and the Google Pixel 8 and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 91.3%. And the protection, the Google Pixel 8 Pro and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2. And the display brightness, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 2400 nits peak brightness and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 4500 nits peak brightness. Let's talk about the camera of these devices. The Google Pixel 8 Pro come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 48 megapixel ultra wide and 48 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it's record 4K 60fps video. And the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with quad camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide 1 inch, 50 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto and 50 megapixel 135mm periscope, and it's record 8K 30fps video. The selfie camera of these devices, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 10.5 megapixel and 4K 60fps video with selfie camera, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 32 megapixel of and 4K 60fps video record with selfie camera. The platform of these devices, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with Luna core with Cortex X3 CPU and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with octa-core with Cortex X4. And the chipset, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with Google Tensor G3 4nm processor and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. And the GPU, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with Motorola G715S and Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with Adreno 750. And the both mobile come with Android 14 operating system. And the memory of these devices, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 12GB of RAM and Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM. And the internal storage, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 128GB, 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage, and no SD card support in both mobiles. Let's go to the battery of these devices. The Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 5050 mAh battery and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 5000 mAh battery. The charging, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 30 watt fast charging and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 100 watt fast charging. The wireless charging of these devices, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 23 watt wireless charging and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra have 50 watt fast wireless charging. And the both mobile come with 5G network support. The common and feature is same in both mobiles. And the result of these devices, the Google Pixel 8 Pro got 20 points and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra got 27 points.